Hello children. Today we are going to learn napkin folding. Yes, over here I have got a napkin over here. Let me just show you. This is a napkin. This is a napkin. We use it daily, right? So I'm going to place the napkin right in front of me. And before I start, let me just smoothen the napkin. How am I going to do that? I'm going to place one hand over here and using my other hand, I'm going to smoothen it like this. Yes. So that there are no crease. Now I'll show you how to fold the napkin. But before that, let me show you that a napkin has got four ends. Let us count together. I'll place the napkin here and let us count the ends. 1, 2, 3, 4. A napkin has got four ends. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has got four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has got four sides which are equal. So it makes a square. Which shape is this? This is a square. Now to fold the napkin, we are going to fold it to a rectangle first. So we are going to hold the two ends of the doll and move it front. Move. Stop. So children, see, now this looks like a rectangle, isn't it? Again, I'm going to place it back and I just smoothen this like this. Yes, like this. So now again to fold it, we are going to fold it in a square. We'll move it again. Move. Stop. And again, we are going to smoothen it like this. See, it is a smallest square. This is how we learn napkin folding. Thank you.